Do you want to know how to screen record on Mac? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So I'm using MacBook Pro, but obviously we can do this on any kind of MacBook or Mac as a desktop. So I'm bringing up the virtual keyboard so you can understand the shortcuts clearly. So all you need to do is press Command, Shift and number 5 to open the option for screen recording. So press Command plus Shift plus 5 at the same time. If you press this shortcut at the same time, it will bring you this overlay option of screen recording. As you can see that this part is for screenshot and this two option is for screen recording. So the first one is capture entire screen. So this will screenshot your entire screen including the dock icons, and this one will capture the selected windows. It will capture your selected windows without the dock, and this one will select the portion. For example, if you click this, you will get this portion, and if you want to screenshot this part only, you can select this area like this and capture the screenshot. If you want to extend a little bit, you can do that and capture it. But if you want to take a screen recording, so these are the two options. The first one is record entire screen. This will record the entire screen, and the other one, which is the record selected portion. So this will, if you click this, and again this will only record the selected portion. For I am selecting record entire screen, and here are the options. So you can like save it to desktop, documents, mail, and in timer you can set the 5 seconds timer, 10 seconds timer, and microphone. You can set the microphone as well, and there are the options. So just select record entire screen and click on record option, and here we go. The screen is now started recording. As you can see the little icon over here. To stop the recording, just click on it and it will stop. The file has been saved here in my desktop. Click it, you can see the video, and that's how you can screen record on Mac. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.